Ali, half a day, and hello. I want to show you the pupusas I made over the weekend. Pupusas are a type of flatbread with filling that is typically consumed for breakfast or as a snack. The origins of pupusas can be traced back to the indigenous communities of El Salvador. Some fun facts about pupusas. Pupusas are a traditional Salvadoran dish made with a thick, handmade corn tortilla filled with various savory fillings, including pork, beans, cheese, and vegetables. These delicious treats are believed to have originated in El Salvador during the pre-Columbian era, making them one of the oldest dishes in Central America. In the 1980s Civil War, many El Salvadorans fled their country and introduced pupusas all over the world. The most popular are pupusa de queso, cheese pupusas, and pupusas de chicharrón, pork pupusas. Additionally, pupusas are often served with curtido, which is a fermented cabbage-based slaw, and hot salsa. Lastly, pupusas are also popular that they have their day of celebration in El Salvador on November 5th, National Pupusa Day. My pupusas were served with some pickled jalapeños, some mashed frijoles, and avocado and sour cream, and also some leftover ground beef.